In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bots to a Discord server. By the end, you'll know how to find a bot you like, connect it to your server, and finish the authorization in a way that keeps your community safe. Quick note before we start, you'll need the manage server permission on the server you're adding a bot to. If you don't have it, ask an admin to grant it or to perform these steps for you. First, open Discord and sign in so you're on the server you want to enhance. Once you're in, look for the area where you can explore bots and integrations. From there, head into the app directory. This is Discord's official catalog of verified apps and bots, which makes it a reliable place to discover tools without worrying about sketchy links. Inside the app directory, you'll see categories designed to help you narrow things down. Choose moderation and tools to browse popular utility bots that can automate tasks, help manage channels, and keep conversations tidy. You can pick any bot that fits your needs. For this walkthrough, we'll use a TTS bot as an example so you can see exactly how the flow works. Select the TTS bot to open its details page, then click Add App. At this point, Discord will ask you which server you want to add it to. Use the server drop-down to select the correct server. If you don't see your server listed, it usually means you don't have the right permission on that server. After selecting the server, click Continue. You'll now see a list of permissions the bot is requesting. Take a moment to review these. Only grant what the bot needs for the features you plan to use. You can always tighten permissions later. When you're comfortable, click Authorize to proceed. To wrap up the connection, follow any highlighted prompts on the screen, such as a quick security check or a confirmation message. Once that completes, the bot will be added to your server. You should see a confirmation and the bot appearing in your member list. From here, you can configure the bot inside your server. Many bots provide a setup guide or a help command in a text channel. If you want to fine-tune access, adjust the bot's role and channel permissions so it can only act where you intend. That keeps things clean and secure as your community grows. And that's it. You went from opening Discord to browsing the app directory to selecting a bot and authorizing it safely. Enjoy automating tasks, improving moderation, and adding fun features to your server.